guys, I'm Deepika and welcome back to my channel. So recently I've been seeing a lot of people using stone facial massaging tools everywhere, and you know what, I was like, I need to hop onto this trend. Not because like everyone was doing it, it's because like I saw some amazing results and I was like, I need my skin to look like this, and that's why I got my hands on the Saturn by Jade Roller and Gua Sha. And this is how it looks like. Also, when I received the package, I also got a prescription or the WhatsApp which looks like this. Okay, so first let's talk about Jade Roller. So a Jade Roller is a facial massaging tool which is made up of a semi-precious stone called jade. This stone is amazing for the detoxification process as it has natural healing abilities. It's very cool to touch, which helps to minimize early signs of aging, puffiness, or even under eye bags. So how to use a Jade Roller? So first step is prepping your skin. Make sure you apply a moisturizer, serum, or a facial oil. This will help the roller to massage your skin effortlessly without pulling it. I start using the roller from my neck and repeat the process at least 5 times on one place. Always in one direction. Don't go back and forth, and also don't put too much pressure. This also helps aid in blood circulation and lymphatic drainage if used regularly. I also use the Jade Roller with my facial mask, as it helps to deeply penetrate the serum in my skin. And for better results, you can freeze them for like 10 to 15 minutes. It feels so amazing. And overall, I feel like Jade Rollers are much more easier to use and are less time consuming. Okay, and next up we have is a Gua Sha. So a Gua Sha tool is a flat stone usually made up of semi-precious stone. This is an ancient traditional Chinese healing method where more like a ritual where a technique is important. And a lot of people also use this to treat their chronic pain all over the body. I also do that. I have a shoulder pain, I just do this like 5 times and I instantly feel better. Like, I'm not even kidding, this is that amazing. So moisten your skin with a gentle facial oil or a serum, whatever you like, and with a gentle pressure move it in an upward lifting motions from the center of your face. Follow the jawline and the sides of the neck and out towards the hairline. This usually improves skin's elasticity and also helps to release the tension and relax your facial muscles. So the shape of the Gua Sha helps to sculpt and contour your face over time. And recently facial Gua Shas have become a very popular beautifying technique to naturally stimulate your blood circulation. As you can see, my skin looks flushed, but this is completely normal. After using them, don't forget to wash them every single time. Just take warm water and mild soap. It's really important to keep them clean because you're going to use this every day on your face and you don't want any nasty things to be stuck there for a long time. So always clean your tools. So it's a must-have skincare tool as it leaves my skin feeling plumped and rejuvenated. And what you can see in the long term is that it helps to reduce wrinkles, fine lines, and signs of early aging. And in the short term, that can help you to seep in all the skincare products deeply and also reduces puffiness. The best part about Saturn by JHC is that you get to consult health coaches for absolutely free, no hidden charges. You can get your very own personalized health and fitness diet plan or exercise regime. I will list down the website details in the description so you can get your free online assessment and they will find the right product for you. If you click the link in the description, you can get up to 30% off. So what are you waiting for? Go check out the website now. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, then don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel. Bye.